I am Subodh Kumar from Morning News TV. Today we are here in Motihari to see the river condition, how river is polluted, and this is the place of heart of the city. So many people crossing this river and most busiest place of this city, and nobody care about how this river is losing its own value. This river is very valuable and lifeline of this city, but nobody's care, and everyone dumping everything in this river. And today this river is filled with plastic, toxic materials, and all gutters and wastage thing comes and merge this river. So we do not respect our nature, how we can survive. And you can see how this place is so busy, and you can see now this time how this river is packed with plastics and other things. Means this place, this is not river, it seems that this is a nala. And what a nala, you can imagine, everywhere is, it is very hard to cross over this river because of smelling of this nala, and it is very hard to feel how people around this nearby live, and still they are there, but nobody cared environment. And it's really hurt human sentiment too, because some people, they are very careful about environment, and they take a serious action today. And some social reformer, some socialist, environmentalist, and people who want to make this river or want to give this river a new life, they gather here. And these people, Ranjit Giri, he gives guidance how to save this river. And under this guidance, so many people gather and take a sankalp to save this river. Now we are going to down nearby the river bank. The place is called Church because at that time, and he now this time convincing people. Ranjit Giri, he convincing people how to save this river from damaging in this way. And he is a very active socialist person who take part in every way to save this city. And now this time on his radar, Dhanauti river. So he
Near
convincing
the
people
encroachment
to
on
save
the
this river.
near the area
So
of
we can
Raghunathpur, there is a river that is totally encroached by the people of some unauthorized way. So we want to show some people, they are going to do a campaigning for encouragement. That is, you see the pollution of this river, how it damaged. And today environment is a major concern of this nation. And even in this time you saw that even Modi ji did work for this program. And our major concern is that what to promote environment, safe India, clean environment, plantation. These are the promise of this government, but this government doesn't do any work that promote. You see that administration negligence can be seen, and so these people are here. Why they are here? They are here because the people of here are not so active, and so many activists who want to welfare of this river, and they want to show something. They are gathered here to save our environment, to save this district of people why from polluting this river. So we are here, and in the guidance of Ranjit Giri, some people gathered, and with his colleagues, they are here to promote this program so that people can be awake and make aware more about how our city is going to polluted. And all these are the responsibility of here government, here administration. But here administration are not taking any action against this. They are blindly negligence all these things. So these people, and you see that this is the prime location of the city. You can see that this place is the heart of this city, and you see that this place is the heart of the city, but even this place is negligence by the people, and encroachment is day by day increasing, not stopped by the people.
धनौती को अतिक्रमण मुक्त करो, मुक्त करो, मुक्त करो। धनौती को अतिक्रमण मुक्त करो, मुक्त करो, मुक्त करो। प्रशासन होश में आओ, होश में आओ, होश में आओ। जिला प्रशासन होश में आओ, होश में आओ, होश में आओ। अतिक्रमणकारी होश में आओ, होश में आओ, होश में आओ। अतिक्रमणकारी होश में आओ, होश में आओ, होश में आओ। हमने यहाँ खाना है, नदी को बचाना है। हमने यहाँ खाना है, नदी को बचाना है। अतिक्रमण मुक्त करो, मुक्त करो, मुक्त करो। धनौती नदी अतिक्रमण मुक्त हो, मुक्त हो, मुक्त हो। हमने ये खाना है, नदी को बचाना है।
Now you can feel why these people are here, and they are campaigning against government's plan and not caring this river. Everyone is neglected this river, and we should take action against this kind of work. And even some people nearby this area, they don't take action against these activities, those who illegally polluting this river. Now we are here and making change for save this river, because this is a lifeline of this city, and this city gives so many things, so we should give this city this river again.
To protect our earth, we are here to protect our Nadi, Nala. Nitish Kumar government is already raising so many banner poster, save earth, save greeneries, स्वच्छ जल, नाला, नदी, इन सबको सेव करने के लिए तो सरकार बात कर रही है.
Yeah, we understand that, but how can you save, and what is your demand for administration?
Primary demand, we have primary demand to measure the actual width of Nadi, Dhanauti Nadi. We are here to protect Nadi. Dhanauti Nadi measurement will be done by administration, not a single person. We are here to raise voice to save Nadi measurement, actual measurement, and actual measurement can be done by only administration. People from Motihari and Moti Jheel around, people are demanding to save Nadi because this time traffic is very much hard in city. Monday morning you see Balua Gulambar, no way to cross Balua. If proper measurement will done, then road side, new road can be permitted near Dhanauti Nadi and traffic issue can be solved. We are just requesting Motihari administration to save Nadi and clear encroachments and help us to take breath easily. Our breathing is a big issue. Motihari city is the worst city for breathing system. In before 5-6 days we have just looked into newspaper that this is the worst city in terms of air quality.
In terms of air quality, it is going to day by day decreasing.
Due